How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today in this video we're going to go ahead and do a nice crop top on top and also giving my client a nice fade on the side. But here, getting started with this haircut, I am beginning to saturate my client's hair with water, and that's basically just to make the parting a lot easier and get it ready to cut on top with scissors. Alright you guys, so right here what I'm actually going to be doing is basically just checking on where like his head shape starts to round out, and exactly where his head starts to round out, that's where I'm going to do like my first little section. And I'm going to be sectioning both sides, one on the left side and then one on the right side, and then also I'm going to be sectioning the back too, finding the area where his head starts to round out, and then I'm going to section all that out. So I went ahead and also sectioned out the front, the bang area, and that's because like that I want to leave it kind of long, just because that's what's going to be laying down once I apply the product, once I blow dry everything. That front part is going to be really important. So right here I just basically turned my client to the mirror, and I basically asked him where he wants his hair to kind of just lay. And this is kind of gonna be like your main guide to go ahead and cut the rest of the hair on top. So right here, once I went ahead and cut the bang area, I went ahead and took just a little bit of that section, and I'm using that section as the guide for the rest of the hair in the back. So once I got the section, I'm working all the way back, going little by little, and then starting to trim the top. Alright you guys, so now here I'm actually going back in, but this time I'm going to be point cutting the top, and that's basically just to help me achieve that textured look on top. And you guys don't really have to be like too perfect on this, because I mean the point of this is to make it uneven, just to make it really textured on top. So I'm just basically just going in, making sure that I have a lot of points on top, just to go ahead and get it ready to blow dry in style. Alright, so now the top is pretty much done. Now I have to start blending in the sides as far as like with the scissors. So right here I'm gonna go ahead and grab a little section in the front, and what I want to do here is kind of cut it in like a 45-degree angle, I would say. That's basically just gonna keep a nice good shape for this haircut and make it a little bit easier to go ahead and blend in once I go in to do the fade. Whenever I'm doing these type of haircuts, after I'm done cutting the top and I'm kind of happy with the result, I always like to go ahead and style it right away, just so I know exactly the shape that I need to keep on top. So here I basically just have my blow dryer. I don't have any nozzle on there because like this is a messy haircut. I don't really care of like the direction that my hair is going. And if you guys notice, I'm not using no brush, no comb, no nothing like that, because I want it to be as messy as possible. That will help me achieve the textured look as much as possible. And I mean, the whole point is just make sure that you mess it up and make sure that you leave it nice and dry on top, because like before you apply any of the product, you must want the hair super dry on top for the product to work. For this haircut, I'm going to be using some Sharp and Dapper volumizing powder. It's also texturizing powder. So when I go into this, I really want to make sure that the product goes deep inside all the way to the root. And then once I go ahead and apply it, I like to mess it up a little bit more. Just run my fingers through his hair and try to get it to the style that I want. Now here I went ahead and grabbed some matte finish product, and this is going to finish off the styling part on top, just to give it a little bit more hold. And also just, it's really important to use a matte product for this type of haircut because you don't really want it shiny, and like by using the product it kind of helps you make it even more messy instead of using like one of those shiny finish pomades, which will make it look a lot more neater and more sleek, I would say. Alright, so now that I went ahead and styled the top, now it's time to begin on the fade. And here I am using my cordless seniors with the number 1.5 guard with the lever all the way open. And I'm basically just going to be going in to set in my guide and just removing bulk. Now here using my Andis T outliners, I'm basically going to be just setting in my bald initial guideline just to go ahead and get it ready to bald out. To go ahead and set in my first guideline, I have the no guard with the lever all the way open, and I'm basically going to be going up about 1/2 inch. And right here in the temple peak point area, just above the beard, I don't really have that much room to work with as I do in the back, so I'm basically going to be just working what I got. Like in the front area, I'm not going to go exactly 1/2 inch. I'm going to just keep it a little bit tighter, but then extend it once I get to the back. So now here I'm going back in with my liners just to go ahead and help me blend out the bottom line just a little bit more. And I'm basically just tapping it just a little bit just to remove that harsh bald line that we use with the shavers. Now here, like always, I'm starting with the lever all the way closed, and I'm gonna be working my way up halfway and also reopening it all the way. Basically just playing with the lever just to go ahead and get rid of that bottom line. Now here I attach my number 1 guard on my clipper with the lever all the way open, and I'm just going right underneath where I stopped with the 1.5 guard with the lever all the way open, just to go ahead and start blending down and get it closer to removing that bottom line. Here I have my half guard, and I'm gonna go ahead and start with the lever all the way open and work my way down every single time, closing the lever just a little bit more, and then you'll notice that the bottom line is just gonna start disappearing, and that's exactly what we want. And keep doing that until the line is gone. Now for this clipper over comb technique, it's really important that I'm not going to be going straight into it. I'm actually going to be flaring out, because it's really important to keep the shape in this haircut, because once you start going into the haircut, it's going to make it look completely off, and you really want to keep the length as much as you can on the side. Here you guys, I'm going back in just because I wasn't completely happy with the blend right there in the middle. I reattached my number 1 guard, and starting with the lever all the way open, all I'm really doing right here is just flicking out as much as I can, just to blend in that line that I've seen as much as possible. Now for this haircut, there's really no point of lining them up on the front because you won't really be able to see it anyway. So here I'm just going in, just cleaning them up with the straight razor on the beard just to go ahead and finish off the haircut. But you guys, that was the cut. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys learned something new. If you guys liked it, make sure you guys leave a thumbs up. Also leave your comments down below. And if you guys are not subscribed already, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. And stay tuned to the end of this video because I do have a little announcement to make. So yeah. Alright you guys, so before this video ends, I do want to make a little announcement. I am going to be doing a little giveaway. I'm going to be choosing 3 people in the comments down below to win these 3 prizes. And so the prizes are going to be, you're going to get a detailer. One person is going to get a detailer, the gold edition. And the other person is going to get a cordless magic clip, the black edition, the exact same one like this one. So there's going to be a total of 3 people. 2 of them are going to get the cordless senior, and then one of them is going to get the detailer. And basically all you really have to do for this giveaway is just make sure that you guys give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you guys are not subscribed to the channel, make sure that you guys are subscribed to the channel, and also leave a comment down below saying August 2019 giveaway. And once you guys do all that, it will automatically enter you into this giveaway. I want to say best of luck. I will be choosing a winner August 22nd, so that gives you guys exactly 2 weeks. So yeah, best of luck. And once again, thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.